When Ecuador beat Germany in this past week's World Cup do-or-die match, something happened that wasn't about football. The entire stadium and people across the country started singing the same song. Not the national anthem, but a bolero, a love song from 1957. And if you're studying Spanish, this song holds the key to understanding something deep about culture, about language, and why music connects us. So today we're going to learn a little bit about who Julio Jaramillo was and why this song made an entire nation cry. And hopefully you'll learn some Spanish that you can use. Vamos. Julio Jaramillo was born on October 1st, 1935 in Guayaquil, Ecuador. And when I tell you he's important to Ecuadorians, he's not just a famous singer. He's like Beyoncé to Americans or Pedro Infante to Mexicans. He's the voice of a nation. His nickname was El Ruiseñor de América, the Nightingale of America. A nightingale is a bird known for its beautiful, complex song. But if you spend any time in Ecuador, they don't always say Julio Jaramillo. They call him Jota, because in Spanish, the letter J is pronounced Jota. And here's something personal. When I was preparing to take the Ecuadorian citizenship test, which I earned in 2025, I was given a long list of cultural figures I needed to know, and Julio Jaramillo was at the top of the list. Not just to recognize his name, but to understand his role in the identity of the country, which I wanted to be a part of. That's how deep this runs. He's not a trivia question. He's required knowledge if you want to become Ecuadorian. He died in 1978. He was only 42 years old. And at his funeral in Guayaquil, approximately 250,000 people showed up, 250,000 people for a singer. Since 1993, his birthday, October 1st, is celebrated in Ecuador as Día del Pasillo Ecuatoriano, the day of the Ecuadorian Pasillo. His music is literally woven into the national identity. So when Ecuadorians sing his most famous song after a historic World Cup win, they're not just singing, they're declaring an oath of love, a love that outlasts death itself. As you listen to the lyrics, you'll see what I mean. The song is called Nuestro Juramento. The core idea of the song is this: we have sworn to love each other so completely that even death won't end it. I'll play the clip that's making the rounds on social media. This is from the beginning of the song, where he's explaining the anguish he feels in his heart to see his sweet love sad and crying. This part in bold is where the crowd really comes together. In English, he says, "We have sworn to love each other until death, and if the dead love, after death, love each other more." Wow. So here's our juramento, our oath. Hemos jurado amarnos hasta la muerte, until death. Y si los muertos aman, después de muertos, amarnos más. I'll play this clip that's on Lingo Pi Music's YouTube channel. It has both the Spanish and the English, so it's easy to follow along. Let's listen. Vamos a escuchar.
No puedo verte triste porque me mata tu carita de pena, mi dulce amor. Me duele tanto el llanto que tú derramas, que se llena de angustia mi corazón. Yo sufro lo indecible si tú entristeces. No quiero que la duda te haga llorar. Hemos jurado amarnos hasta la muerte. Y si los muertos aman, después de muertos amarnos más.
So when Ecuador beat Germany and everyone started singing this song, it wasn't just about football. Everybody was honoring Julio Jaramillo and expressing this great joy, this love, and reaffirming the commitment, their bond, their oath that is eternal to football and to this team. This is real language. This is real culture. If you like this little video, please subscribe. I do upload a new lesson every Sunday morning. I teach Spanish using song clips that help teach the language and the culture of the 21 amazing countries where Spanish is the official language. Thank you for joining me here at Tentáculo Clases y Cultura. Yo me llamo Kelly. Muchas gracias y nos vemos.